Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I created this purple look. I'm obsessed with how it turned out. This is actually inspired by a look I did years ago, and it doesn't look really that similar at all. It's just, it has like the purple theme, but I'm obsessed with it. I love it, and I hope you guys enjoy it too. So if you want to see how to get this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I'm going to start by priming my eyelids first. I'm going to use the e.l.f. eyelid primer, and this one is just sheer, and I'm just going to put that all over my lid. Alright, now that I have my eyelids primed, I'm going to take some tape just like this, and I'm going to put that on my eyelids. Y'all know, I'm sure y'all have seen this before, so I'm just going to do that. So I really want a sharp line. Alright, so for the first shade, I'm going to go into this palette right here. It is the Studio Makeup On The Go eyeshadow palette, and it is the Cool Down palette. And I'm going to take this shade right here, which is the purple, and I'm going to put that all over my crease. Oh, let me scoot you guys right in. I almost forgot. Alright, so now I'm just going to take a brush with no eyeshadow, although this one looks dirty because my mom was just like messing with it. It has no eyeshadow on it or anything, it's just stained. I'm just going to use that to blend the edges because they are a bit harsh right now. Alright, now I'm going to go into a darker shade, and I'm going to go into the Sweet Peach palette, and I'm going to take this shade Delectable, which is this shade right here, and I'm gonna put that in the outer corner of my crease, and I'm gonna go in with that brush that I used to blend. Now I'm going to take some concealer in a flat brush, and I'm just going to use it to cut the crease. I need a closer-up mirror. Now I'm going to go back into this palette right here, which is the Sweet Peach palette by Too Faced, and I'm going to take the shade Talk Berry to Me, and I'm going to put, oh sorry, you can't see it, I'm going to put that in the outer corner of my cut crease. I'm going to go into the Chocolate Bar by Too Faced, and I'm going to take this shade Candied Violet, which is this purple right here, and I'm going to put that next to Talk Berry to Me. Alright, I'm going to go back into that Studio Makeup On The Go, the palette I started first with, and I'm going to take this shade right here, and I'm going to put that in the inner corner of my crease, of my lid, I mean. Alright, so now I'm going to put on some eyeliner. And I'm using the NYX That's the Point Professional Makeup liquid eyeliner. Now I'm going to go into this right here, which is the Tarte Pro Glitter Liner, and I'm going to take the glitter part and I'm just going to put it right there where that crease and the eyeshadow meet. I don't know how to explain it, but I'll show you. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye off camera. I'm also going to do my base, my foundation, bronzer, concealer, all of that off camera as well, because it's the same routine ever. I don't show you guys anything different. It's nothing new. I'm not trying anything new. I'm just going to, it's just old products that I already you've used on camera already. So just to save some time, I'm going to do it off camera. So I'll be right back. Alright, so now I'm going to take this Hikari eyeliner. It's a black eyeliner. I'm going to put that on my waterline. And now for lower lash line, I'm going to take this shade that I used earlier on my crease, and I'm going to put that all over my lower lash line. I'm going to go back into Delectable, that deeper shade, and I'm going to put that in my outer corner of my lower lash line. Alright guys, this is the completed look. What do you guys think? I'm like obsessed. I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys think of this look. Tell me, let me know. And please subscribe if you haven't already. I'd really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in my next video.